Okay, we're looking at it's number 19 from 2-6, I believe. We're factoring this guy. It's quadratic. Can't solve it because it's not set equal to 0. So first thing we're going to do, because my, I was going to say my x squared, but really it's my c squared here, is not equal to 1. I'm going to look and see if there's any common factors in my -4, my 9, and my 5. There isn't. The only thing that goes into all these numbers is 1. But this is a little bit problematic. Having the negative is going to make the factoring a little bit trickier, so we're going to factor it out. I'm going to pull out a -1 and leave it on the outside for the time being. That's going to basically flip all of these signs, so I'm going to have a 4c squared, a minus 19c, and then a minus 5. Now I'm going to leave this -1 hanging out, and this is what I'm going to focus on putting into my area model for factoring. So I'm going to set up. Now, again, if some of you guys are ready to like just get the two binomials because you can look at that and figure out how to split the 4, C here, is it 2 and 2, 4 and 1, 5 here, although it's negative, that makes it trickier. If you can do that, great. If not, this will always get us there. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a little area model here. My 4c squared is going to go here. My constant, which is a -5, is going to go there. I need my diamond problem to help me figure out how to split these two terms so that they add up to a -19. So I want the sum to be -19. I'll put that here. The product is going to be -20. And this actually is not too bad because the first factors I always check of something is 1 and that number, and that will work here. If I use 20 and 1, and I make the 20 negative, they will add together to get -19, and they will have a product of -20. So I can put them in my area model. Now, when I put them over into the area model, I need to make sure I add the C. It's kind of lazy with my diamond problem. I didn't put the variables on there. So that's a 1, which is just a C. Now I'm going to factor this guy, and I'm going to look in terms of all the way across the row. And looking there, I definitely want a C, and 4 will go into both of those numbers. So I'm going to have a 4C there. I'm going to kind of follow that same idea here, looking at the entirety of the column. And the only thing that goes into both of those is a C. Now that I have that, C times 1 is C. 1 times a -5 is the -5, and 4C times a -5 is -20. So that's great. That gives me my binomials, C minus 5 and 4C plus 1. This negative is part of the answer. I factored it out. It's going to stay out here. The only thing I might do is just rewrite my final answer right here at the bottom, all in black, and make it clear that that is my final answer. Hope this is helpful, and of course, message me anytime with questions.